a charming 2-bedroom bungalow situated within Toronto's Cliffcrest neighbourhood. Welcome to 144 Dorset Road. Never listed for sale, this home has been family-owned since the late 1940s and features a detached single-car garage with 4-vehicle driveway parking, hedges and a new fence along the north side of the property, and while set back from the street, this home's backyard is quite deep and is shaded by mature trees. Newer laminate flooring is found throughout much of the home, while carpeting adds coziness in the living room, which is additionally warmed by a wood-burning fireplace with stone hearth and mantle. This room and the adjacent dining room also feature deep crown moldings and decorative arched entries, while these two rooms, as well as the 2 bedrooms, have corner windows to maximize the natural brightness from multiple exposures. This home also features a 4-piece washroom, separate linen, broom, and coat closets in the hallway, walk-in closets in both bedrooms, and a kitchen with a walkout onto a recently built backyard deck, a tiled backsplash, a stainless steel double sink, ample cabinetry storage, fridge and stove, as well as space for a cozy breakfast area. While the finished lower level features oversized windows throughout, a workshop area, a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, a spacious recreation area, and plenty of storage space. A wealth of prime amenities are close at hand for this home. H.A. Halbert Junior Public School and Halbert Park are a 5-minute walk, while the drives to high-ranking H.R. King Academy and to Bliss Carman Senior Public School are 2 and 3 minutes respectively. And for post-secondary studies, Centennial College and University of Toronto campuses are less than 20 minutes away by car. The Cliffcrest Plaza on Kingston Road is a 2-minute drive away, which has a Shoppers Drug Mart and a Dollarama, branches of the Toronto Public Library, CIBC and Scotiabank, postal services, convenience stores and restaurants, as well as a Service Ontario government office. While across the street is a Tim Hortons, the YWCA, Joy City Church, and an RBC branch. Along Eglinton Avenue East are chain stores such as Walmart, Home Depot, Sobeys, and No Frills, as well as a wide variety of other shopping essentials and conveniences, many which are within a 4 to 6 minute drive away. It's a 6-minute drive to Bluffers Park for its marina, yacht club, and beach. Scarborough General Hospital is 9 minutes away, and the Scarborough Town Centre Mall is a short 12-minute drive. And for commuters, TTC service is a 2-minute walk away, it's a 7-minute drive to the Scarborough GO station, and access to Highway 401 is a 15-minute car ride.